Welcome back to the channel. Has Verasity hit its market bottom, or will price go lower? Everybody wants to know this right now, whether you're holding VRA or whether you're looking for an entry. Everybody wants to know what's actually happening. So for those of you who do not know, maybe living under a rock, the overall market has been selling off since the month of June. We've been on a heavy downwards spiral, as you can see, and Bitcoin just fell below $57,000 for the first time in 2 months. We fell below that $58,000 price area. So the overall market is falling in alignment with this, but have we found the bottom for VRA? Well, right now, the market cap value is at $31 million. In my previous update, we were basically around the same level. And you can even see that the sell-off that we're seeing on Bitcoin is having little to no effect on VRA because a lot of the selling pressure has already been completed. There isn't anywhere else to go for VRA essentially. And really and truly, let's just say we see Bitcoin sell off even more. Where are we going to fall? Maybe 10%, maybe at worst case scenario, maybe 20%. But apart from that, a lot of the selling pressure is gone. And the reason why I wouldn't be sitting on the fence at the moment is because as soon as Bitcoin reverses, as soon as altcoin reverses, we are highly likely to see VRA reverse. So if I'm a first time buyer right now, I'm saying to myself, let's just look at this from a risk to reward perspective. Do I buy now and potentially experience a short term upside move of maybe 60%, maybe even 100%, and maybe risk 20%? So I'm risking 20% to gain a potential 60 to 100. Or do I buy right now and not only capture 100%, but I'm able to buy a decent sized position to where maybe I can take some profit once it doubles in values, maybe my initial capital, and leave the rest to run, right? There's so many opportunities at this current price, and I would be taking advantage of it at the moment. Now, what I would say is if you're already fully stacked on VRA, I would say take it easy, right? Because there is a thing called doubling down on your losses. If you're in a loss, you already have a decent bag. Buying and buying and buying is pretty much a waste of time, especially when there are other opportunities with similar market caps that you can maybe diversify on just in case this doesn't do what we think it's going to do. But if your bag is small, or if you're a first time watcher of this channel, then I'd be looking at some entries. And in fact, if you are a first time watcher, make sure you subscribe because you'll be able to get free buy calls, free entries, just like the updates that you're seeing today. So make sure you subscribe right now. But let's continue with the video. So let me answer the question for all of you that are saying, but is this the bottom? Now, if you consider an extra 20% sell-off as being, in the same region as the quote-unquote bottom, then yes. I think a lot of the selling pressure is pretty much over with. I think worst case scenario, we see a 20% move from where we currently are now. But the risk versus reward for me is just too good to ignore if I'm a first time buyer and I'm looking for opportunities for micro caps in the current market. And what I want to say to all of you is, remember, historically, July is one of the best months in a bull cycle. So I would be taking full advantage of that. And this does look like a great opportunity. And hopefully on the next major VRA update, we're talking when price is back above resistance and maybe has moved 30-40%, right? So back to around, let's say 0.0046. But I do think we've pretty much bottomed out now. And I know some of you are going to say, yeah, but we could fall lower. Okay, let's be more extreme. Where are we going to fall to? Maybe 35%, maybe, Either way, the risk versus reward at the moment is absolutely incredible. But I want to say to all of you, well done for making it this far in the bull cycle, because truly all of you that are persevering through this turbulent time deserve everything that's coming to you. You just have to make sure you are on the right side of history and you are in the right projects. We have more VRA updates on the way, so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you stay locked in. And for those of you that are not yet in our free Telegram group and you want to stay up to date with our price action, you want to stay up to date with, you know, some of the calls that we give out in our meme coins and other projects, join the free Telegram group below. And we also got a video showing you how to make 100,000 in 1 month and 8 days. That's an 8-minute video walking you through a specific strategy that we use called the 3 to 10x strategy. And that strategy will actually work best in the market conditions that we are about to see. And get ready, because I do think the market will break out soon. But let me know what you think. Is this the market bottom? Are you concerned? Let me know below. Until the next update, guys, seize the day. And remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own independent research.